world's largest truck stop in Iowa, huh?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah, so we doing it.
Iowa 80, world's largest truck stop. Look, there are a whole bunch of cars. There's a truck museum. Yeah, they're uncomfortable. Comfortable.
World's largest truck stop? We've been there.
We're going to the world's largest truck stop in Iowa, huh?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah, so we doing it.
We're at the world's largest truck stop on 80 in Iowa. Let's go see.
Let's go inside.
It definitely got a little colder, that's for sure. I don't know, we only drove like, what, 10 minutes, 20 minutes? Iowa 80, world's largest truck stop.
Not very far, the temperatures drop.
Ooh, it got...
And we're from Wyoming.
I know. Oh wow, this is crazy. Look, there are a whole bunch of cars. There's a truck museum.
Told you.
Just next door is the Iowa 80 Truck Museum. And it's free. That's crazy. This place is huge.
Oh wow, we'll be here for hours. Chipotle cheddar cheeseburgers.
Look at caramel apples. Oh, that truck's pretty cool.
That one is. That one is.
Go look at it.
That thing's.
How are ya?
Not too
Good,
bad.
how
How
are
are you? That's crazy.
Look at old school taffy. That's pretty cool. What's that? The Sour Patch Kid? Brewery, go next to it. Give the Sour Patch Kid a hug. Hug it.
I love you. It smells
I
like
love
it.
you.
It smells like
You
it.
kissed
Kissed
it.
him. Okay, come on, Ray.
It smells like sour
I didn't
patch.
say
It smells like sour patch.
Oh my gosh. This is cool. You want to see the truck? Put them down, Carter. Look, there's a road atlas for kids. That's cute. What's in this? All 50 states? That's cool.
Let me see, Mommy. Let me see that. Let me see that. Let me see, Daddy.
It's kind of what Sherry bought Sherry bought Grace, huh?
Yeah. Put that back, Mark.
I didn't say grab it, Margie. Dude, this thing's crazy.
Yeah. Well, look, the museum's down there. All the way down
They
there.
have like a whole food court. God dang. Babe, this place is crazy.
That's crazy.
Here, let's walk.
I was like wondering what you were pointing at, and I'm like, there can't be anything interesting.
Look at right there. Look at right there. Look at that. Let's go look at that one.
We know a kid that would definitely love hoodies like that.
Oh, yeah. Dang, they have like Oakley and Fox Racing gloves. That's crazy.
Here's a,
What?
a globe. You want another one?
I don't do good with gloves. That's for sure.
It's tight.
Carter, don't pick stuff up unless you're gonna buy it. Houston, I found your shoes.
What the heck?
Look.
I'll wear them.
Oh wow.
They're funny.
They're $30.
Oh, no.
Yeah, they're uncomfortable. Comfortable. It looks like a frog now that your feet's in it.
Yeah, what is it?
It hurts.
Oh, look at grass ones.
Oh. Iowa grass flip-floppers. Flip-flops.
I wonder how
Here,
long
Carter.
they'll stay alive.
Kylie, go pick those up. You were the one. No.
Come on.
Look, they have pink ones for you, Mark. Oh, put the grass ones on.
The grass ones?
Let's see.
Okay.
How is it?
Oh, what are these? I don't like
I'll put them back.
I don't like them.
Oh my gosh, this place is crazy. This is cool.
Yeah, it's cool. Look at those. Mommy!
Where's the truck museum?
It's down there. I don't know. What? No,
This is cool. Carter, this is like a cheat sheet for math.
Oh, thank you.
Pre-algebra, though, I don't even know. These are pretty cool.
What's that? Look at all these things that have favorite brother. That's definitely
You.
definitely not me.
They have like every freaking fast food restaurant you could want.
Look, they have a biscuit. What the heck is this?
Put it back, please. Unless you're gonna buy it, we don't pick it up. Then there's a restaurant too.
I'm hungry.
Well,
Yeah, let's go get Einstein's. You want it?
it's down there. I see.
Oh, that's cute. What'd you get, Carter? Is it good?
Man. Is yours spicy? A little bit, right?
Here, Mark.
Okay, then come on.
Yeah, gross.
We want to get
You see all these?
a scorpion. Those are weird.
It's probably gonna be gross, so I don't.
You don't want nothing? Look at the trucks. Those are cool. What's this? You want to go stand over here and take a picture?
Yeah.
And then I give you candy? Stand right here, take a picture.
World's largest truck stop? We've been there.
I want to go to the truck museum. It's free entry, but we're on a time crunch. We got people to see.
People
And
see,
things to do.
things to do, places to be. But until then, like, subscribe, show our friends. Check it out, check it out, check it out.
Everybody's got their shirt on.
Everybody's got their
her
shirt on.
Ooh.
We representing today. We rolling deep. Until then, like, subscribe, show our friends. See you guys on the next one. Wow.